Running a football blog, a fantasy sports site, or a tournament platform? Then you already know. Your fans don't just want articles, they want standings, points, and real-time results. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create professional league tables in WordPress using Ninja tables. Whether it's soccer, cricket, or even esports, you'll learn how to build a setup that's fast, mobile responsive, and easy to manage. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'll share a simple, time-saving trick that can cut down your setup work significantly. To kick things off, let's open Ninja tables. So you have several ways to start, but today we're going with the default table. Add a title, write a short description, and hit add. And now we have a blank canvas. Let's start with the most important column, the team. I'm selecting the HTML field here because it allows us to combine the team logo and the team name in a single professional-looking cell. I'll get to that in a moment, but before that, let's add a few more columns to make the table perfect. And now you know how to add a column, right? I'll add the rest of the columns like matches, wins, loses, and points real quick. But while I'm doing that, make sure to hit subscribe button so you never miss a chance to level up your WordPress site with the WPManageNinja team. Alright, the columns are set. It's time to add the data to the league table. Tap on Add Data and you'll instantly see all the fields we just created. Since we used an HTML field for our first column, let's drop in a logo from the media library and write the team name simultaneously. Okay. So from here, it's just a matter of filling in the numbers. Now I'll just breeze through the rest of the stats, matches, wins, and loses one by one. The data for the first team is set. The workflow is as smooth for the rest of the teams. A click on the plus icon will give access to the next column to add the table data one by one. So let's do that. Now, here's something that happens all the time. I forgot to add a standings column. With Ninja tables, it's a 2-second fix. So let's quickly add another column to highlight the standing. Then go to the table configuration and simply drag it to the very top. So just like that, our hierarchy is perfect. I can even customize it from here, but let's get back to the previous tab to see it more properly. And just like the way I want. Let's just write the numbers real quick. Once your data is in place, design is what separates an average table from a professional one. So in the table design section, you'll find styling, table color, and other options. And the style section itself comes with 3 different setups to personalize a table's data. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory here, so you can just toggle them on and off to decide how you want your league table to interact. And things could get even fun in the table colors. The predefined schemes allow you to change your table's look in seconds. And if you're more into table design, the custom scheme might excite you more. Let's not forget about the other tab. It's very handy to quickly personalize as well. It may take a few hours if I start digging into them. Decide how you want to showcase your table and you'll see Ninja Tables is up for you with that. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated features. Instead of giving your team members or moderators backend access, you can let them update scores directly from the front end. Simply enable the front-end editing. You can grant specific users the power to update the table directly from the live table. Besides, you can control exactly which columns they can touch, and also set the editing component labels and appearances. It keeps your site secure and your data up to date. Once you feel everything is good to go, save the settings. With that, my league table is all set. So let's preview it to see how it looks in the front end. Everything is on point. You can even edit it from the front end without any hassle as well. Now that you know how to create a league table from scratch, Ninja Tables also allows you to create a table using templates as well. If you go to the website and open the template section, you can find templates for almost anything you want. And there's a dedicated section for the sports table. Pick the table you need and you'll see the installation guide and the option to download the template directly from the site. So, are you building from scratch or using a pro template? Either way, Ninja Tables gives you the most flexible, professional way to show sports data on your WordPress site and boost real-time engagement. On top of that, you can connect with Google Sheets, Fluent Forms, and more to fully automate your workflow. So, why wait? Grab Ninja Tables today.